Hey y'all, it's your girl Perfectly Imperfect Tay, back with another video. Make sure you hit that bell and to like, comment, and to share. But let's get I don't know, I always want to do that. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Today I will be doing my kind of everyday makeup routine. I did that because I don't wear makeup every day. I don't like the way it feels on my skin. And my skin, it looks pretty clear in like the camera or like from far away, but you can like see like I had some bumps over here, like my forehead has some dark spots. But yeah, so my main focus in like an everyday look is to obviously make it quick. Let me not start without telling y'all what I'm doing.
Lonely boy.
I really work hard for this shit.
Let's get into it. So to start, I like to moisturize my face with the Cetaphil lotion. Don't mind my nail. I gotta go get it fixed tomorrow. Man, it broke while I was cleaning up. No, it broke. It didn't break when I was cleaning up. It broke when I was putting on my shoe. I guess I was putting it on too hard, too aggressive. I don't know. But I gotta go get her fixed. But after I moisturize my face, really before I moisturize my face, let me put my little headband on, just a little bow headband, because I don't want the makeup to get in my hair or my hair to mess up my makeup. I almost forgot about this. Don't want it to cover too much of my face because then I can't put like the makeup in the right spots. But this is good. My little bow. I really like the little bow. It's lucky. I wear this headband all the time, especially when I don't feel like doing my hair. Probably throw this on like a hat or something. But that's the point. Let's get into it. So to start, I always like to start off with my eyes. My small mirror. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and to do that, I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild. This is actually eyeliner, but I use it for my eyebrows. But it's the Wet n Wild one. It comes with the top, but I threw the top away. But I just really just like to fill in the ends. I don't like to do it too much because I kind of already did it already, but it's totally different. So like you see this end, you see the end in this eyebrow. Like it's just non-existent.
We've been done long before it all began.
And then I just take a Q-tip and just kind of go around the edges and clean it up into the shape that I like it to be.
Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both.
Okay, perfect. Now after that, I just really just put on concealer. And I'll be using these two concealers. These are the e.l.f. Concealers. I saw a girl use them on TikTok, and then I went into Ulta and bought some of my own. This one is in the shade. This one is tan neutral, and this one, the thing. So, oh, I know I didn't. It's just clear. It's deep chestnut. But yeah, this is the main one I use, and then this is just like a little highlight kind of. But I cover all my like dark spots and just things I want to conceal.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. Somewhere along the lines, we stopped seeing eye to eye. You were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going, but I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own. Who's gonna
I'm gonna on my lip. Then I like to go in with a wet beauty blender and just blend it all out. Then I'll go in with, actually I won't go in with this. I'll go in with my darker one. I need to get some more of this. That's not the right one. It's this one. This is the Fit Me by Maybelline concealer in the shade 57 Walnut. This is kind of what I use as like contour, because it's just like a tone darker than me. It's not really too dark.
See my days are cold without you. See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Back to you.
After I get done blending out is when I'll go in with just a little bit of blush. I use a lot of e.l.f. products. I didn't even realize, but I love this brand. It's really very affordable. Very I got makeup on my finger now that I cleaned it up. But yeah, in the shade Always Rosy. I think that this is a really good shade for my skin complexion, because all them blushes don't be looking right on black girls. I'm not gonna lie.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. Ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Whip, body.
And I'll go in with like the highlighter shade for concealer. I don't know the terms. I'm not a makeup guru. This is just what I like to do, mind you. But just a few dots under my eye. Oh, a little dot on my nose. A few little dots right there. I'll put one dot right there. Normally I would do more, but I already have a lot of bumps and stuff going on down there. So I don't want to make it too like overly oily and dirty, so I break out even more.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Like, my skin looking like glass on this camera, but like in this mirror it's looking a little cakey, so I don't know what to trust. So then after I get done blending, now I'm gonna go in with just a little powder contour just to top it off a little bit. And for this, I choose, this is really, I didn't tell you what this was. This is the Miami Sunshine Sun Kiss filter by Absolute New York pressed bronzer. I've had this for like forever. I love it, but it is really potent, so I do try to use it very gently.
Don't be trying. I've been moving, kind of start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.
And then once I get done with that, we'll go in with some highlighter. For my highlighter, I use the Bare Mineral Invisible Glow in the shade Dark to Deep. Looks like this. It's a little dirty, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it looks very like, it's very natural and like a really subtle glow. I don't know, I think it's very pretty on me.
Instead of me, still bad things. There's a lot of bad things.
And for my nose highlight, I use a different palette. I use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette. It looks like this. Okay, I can see that. I mean, you should. It's pretty big, but I kind of like to mix. It comes with 4. I like to mix the gold and the rose gold together. The white gives a more purplish glow. I really like to use it when I used to do cheerleading in high school because my team colors were purple and white, so that went really good. Mind you, I've been in high school 3 years, and I still have this shit, like, and it still works good. I don't know though, maybe I should get new makeup. I don't know, because they say makeup expires, but this don't have a thing on it, so I don't know if this expires for real, or like what, because it don't have the little month thing on. Like, let me find one that does have that on it. Like this, you see that after opening, this is good for 6 months. I don't know if I can see that. What is it? But it says 6 months on it. But after I do that, foundation, I like to set my hair with, of course, the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, long lasting. It's like that. I like to clean my nails. I really like to drench my face in this stuff. Like, drench it. But I would drench my face in any setting powder. I feel like that, or setting spray. I feel like that's the only way it really works. And then for this, I'm going to read the thing. I'm going with my other one, and then I use the bottom of it to just go over it to push in all the liquid, or all the mist. I think that's a better word.
Until I find a way.
Today I'm gonna be using the Tarte Gifted mascara. It looks like this. This helps your natural eyelashes grow. The serum that they put in it. But I also really love, not this one. I mean, it's cool. The L'Oreal Voluminous Original. This one is cool. But Lash Paradise. This is a waterproof. I didn't know this was waterproof. But this is waterproof. By L'Oreal Paris. So I was trying to figure out who made it, but by L'Oreal Paris. It's upside down now. Lash Paradise. This right here, love this. But I'm lucky like running out of that, so I kind of want to like. I'll probably just go to the store tomorrow and get some more. It's only like $12, but I just keep forgetting every time I go to the store. But I like this one too. But yeah.
I will say the only words I know that you'll understand.
That's JP.
Is this love? 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 Is this
Lips. God, I love this. This is my favorite chapstick ever. Like, I always lose chapstick, like my Climaxes and stuff. I always lose my lip glosses. I always lose. But this, I'm not losing this. And I'm going to use it all the way. Like, that's how good this one is. I love this shit. Excuse my language. I don't know why I lick my lips before I put on chapstick. Let's go on. And I'm just gonna go on with some lip gloss. Something simple.
Squad. Get the back, King Walker.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Yeah. Hey, that would be just a little bit. Now I'm finna go about my day. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to stay tuned for more content, because I am going to be doing a full glam look soon to practice for an occasion, and I'm going to be using some jewels, so make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for that. But see you later.